Hi everybody, I am about to grill some steaks, and these are the steaks that I'm going to grill. I have two of them, as you can see here, and I have put some oil on them, some olive oil mixed with avocado oil, and then I put my seasonings on, and these are the seasonings that I used. Calvinder's all-purpose. Let me turn this down some. And garlic powder. I season according to taste. Season all. Chef Paul Perdone Meat Magic. And some garlic powder. And I put about a teaspoon of each one of these on the two steaks. So these are the steaks. I have the griddle here, and it's warm enough, I think. And I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the griddle. And this is the first steak going down. And this is the next one. And these are thin ribeyes. So I have this set at, I'm going to reset it about 350. And I'm going to let these steaks cook for about 3 minutes on each side and see what that looks like. 3 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 3 minutes. Okay, so I set the timer for 3 minutes, and we're gonna just see what that does. And then after those 3 minutes, I'll flip the steaks. When they're done, I'm going to grill. I have a bowl of onion, 1 large onion, and I'm going to grill it on the griddle once the steaks are done. And then I'll show you what's going on. I'm not going to keep you all this time while the griddle is going. And this is an electric griddle that I ordered from Amazon. I really do like it. I've made pancakes on it. I've grilled some steaks before on it, and I really, really like it. So I am going to, and I have it set about 375. I have 2 baked potatoes in the oven now, and I want to show you those because this is the star of the night, the grilled steaks. So I'll come back and show you what's going on after the 3 minutes on this side and the 3 minutes on the other side, and I'll show you what we have. I'll pause right here. Hey y'all, I brought you back in to see the steak. It is all grilled up here, and this is a piece that's been cut. If you can see it here, it's kind of medium rare. And these are the onions that I grilled on the grill right here. And here they are. So I have some potatoes in the oven baking, and I'm going to let you see those. You can see them baking in the oven right there. So when all of that is done, then I will serve it up and bring you back and let you see it. But these are the grilled steaks. 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other side. Okay, I will talk to you soon. Okay guys, here's the finished product. The baked potato with sour cream, butter, and cheese, salt and pepper, and this is the steak and onions. Just wanted you guys to see our meal. This is Patti, Patti's Southern Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe. Tap the notification bell to be reminded of uploads. Tell your family and friends about my page and my channel. I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Bye now.